Change to the indicated form. Give fractions in lowest terms. Give percents to the nearest tenth. We will solve number 1. So the fraction is 3 over 5. We will get its equivalent decimal and equivalent percent. Let us divide 3 by 5. 3 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. 3 divided by 5, so cannot be. Adding 1 0, 6. So, therefore, 3 over 5 is equivalent to 0.6 in decimal. Let's find the equivalent of 3 over 5 to percent. You multiply the decimal by 100%. 0.6 times 100% is equal to 60%. Therefore, the fraction 3 over 5 is equal to 0.6 in decimal form and 60% in percentage form.